this. They're 1,000 Japanese yen, and that comes to about, at today's exchange rate, about $6.80. These are the most expensive. Miracle Craters, Faces of Japan. Yep. And they have all kinds of characters. Keychains, Kawasaki motorcycles. People seem quite interested in it. And lots of different characters here. These guys, little miniature collection, miniature food displays. Froggy guy. I kind of like this one. Look at the Denny's. The Denny's plate spinning around there. And how about this one, the Doritos? They have 2 flavors of Doritos. They actually have like little Doritos inside the bag. Amazing. It's different to have this type of gachapon because here you can clearly see the items that are inside, displayed quite nicely. Oh, she got Ola in her box. Maybe. Maybe not. And she got her Olaf. She's pretty great. Find at 7-Eleven, a smoothie. And they have about 4 different flavors. This one is strawberry, and that has pineapple as well, and banana. This one is greens. What's in the greens? I don't know. It's in Japanese. On this side, kale they have in that one. Mango and pineapple. Blueberry is blueberry, strawberry, banana, and yogurt. And they're only 300 yen. After you buy your smoothie, then you come over to the machine that's in there. Yanto got the strawberry, banana, soy. You scan the QR code there. Put it in. Put it in. Hit OK. Push. There it goes. Hold it down. Actually squeezed cup of orange juice. See the oranges up there? There's your cup, ready to squeeze into a nice cup for you. Nice. It costs 350 Japanese yen, which is about, I don't know, $2.85, something like that. All together here, 4 oranges in each. Good morning. We're in Yokohama, and at this vending machine, explaining what is this up here.
Lucky draw thing. So when you purchase something from here, then your number coming out here.
Oh, okay. So it's a lucky. Let's try. Lucky draw. Will it happen? Are we lucky today?
3650.
3650 was our number.
That's not.
But we weren't lucky today. We didn't. But this one over here, does that one have anything?
No.
Maybe not. No games. No lottery on that.
I think that is
okay. Then you get your drink out of the bottom here after you pay with your Suica there. Just in time to catch your train, and Yanto's waiting for me. Yep. Fantastic. No drinking on the train to Kamakura today.